is the DJI Osmo SE. And as you can see, it has a nice handle here. It's easy to grip. There's a trigger back here that when this is moving and you want it to stop, not move around and follow your target, it'll hold. It'll stop and just hold, and it will not go up or down. It'll just follow that thing dead on. You can hit this button here to turn it between horizontal and vertical. Twice. You hit it twice to go back. You can also hit it once to change to see me. As you can see, you hit it once again, it'll shoot back out. Now, you can also set it down on a table. Sometimes if you're at your house and you want to do a product review, or you just want to be followed by the camera without anybody else, you can do it with this. You just simply hit yourself, the box will turn green. As Denise will show you, this thing will follow me around. As you can see, this gimbal is literally just following me everywhere I go. You need to zoom in, or I'll zoom in so you can see it clear. This thing is literally just following me everywhere I go. So that helps out a tremendous amount. It's phenomenal for things like that. That's kind of a lot of what I use it for. You know, you can hold it in your hand if there's something that you want to look at. Again, you flip here, it'll shoot out that way. You can move this way with the joystick any way you want. There are so many things you can do with this gimbal. I don't have enough time to actually tell you, but get yourself one of these DJI Osmo gimbals today, and it'll make your whole recording experience, take it to a different level.